Hi, good morning YouTubers. I'm going to use a big brush this morning, that's all. Look, and we'll do a quick painting, right? A little bit of, yeah, we'll start with a bit of Windsor. Yeah. Let's get a bit more. Not a lot of time, I'll just get on with it. Bit of cheap paper, buckling a bit, as we say, but doesn't matter, does it? No. Okay, there's our sky roughed in. Well, plenty wet with a big floppy brush. Now for the we'll do the foreground now, and well, it's like a brown colour really. But what we can do is let's get some blue, some cobalt, and let's add some burnt sienna with that. We're not going to mix it the other way around. Yeah, that's it. Perhaps a little bit more cobalt in it. Yep, a little bit of cobalt, a little bit of it. I won't tell you much more because I've been doing a bit of a course with our group, a Patreon group, on this loose type painting. So I think it's just take these runs off now. I don't want to give too much away, but I think you could enjoy it all the same. I'm trying it just with a big floppy brush like this. Then here comes the time now where you have to dry it off. Okay, so we're imagining that we're looking across those flat fields in Norfolk, and the horizon's right down here, and the distance is well away, any hills is very far away. So we'll just bring in, we'll start up with a little bit of a foreground here. Just a couple of fences in the foreground, say. Okay. So say just about here, and some just a few little bushes here, say, of the foreground, right in our foreground here, right. And another one coming right near still, a little bit more blue in there. That's it there. And just rising just a bit there, like that. That's the other one. And then very, very far distant blue, more blue in it this time, hill. Now that's a good way off there, I see. Far, far away. Okay. Now we'll just bring in a couple of trees over coming into it, from the left hand side, say, like that. Okay, and then we'll just bring the big tree here, which you like to do. Standing on its own there. And then we'll bring in, wet it down a bit, and just bring in a couple of trees here. And there, see? Like that, yeah. And we'll just balance it with one here. One here, not here. Not the ear. And that's about it for there. Right. That's just about okay, I'll tell you for now. Right. Thanks for looking in. See you later. I'll just put a mount round it and we'll have a look for a minute. There you are everyone. Thanks for being with me.